No more talk of darkness. Forget these wide-eyed fears. I'm here, nothing can harm you. My words will warm and calm you. Let me be your freedom. Let daylight dry your tears. I'm here with you, beside you, to guard you and to guide you. Let me be your shelter. Let me be your light. You're safe, no one will find you. Your fears are far behind you. Then say you'll share with me one love, one lifetime. Let me lead you from your solitude.
Kyle, with those words said, I ask you now, will you take this woman whose hands you now hold, your gift from God, choosing her alone to be your wedded wife, and will you live with her in the true state of matrimony? Will you love her and comfort her through the good times and in the bad times, in sickness and in health, honoring her at all times as you remain faithful only to her?
I do.
Ask of you.
Jessica, will you take this man whose hands you now hold, your gift from God, choosing him alone to be your wedded husband? Love him and comfort him through those good times and in those bad times, in sickness and in health, honoring him at all times as you remain faithful only to him.
I do.
Say you love me. You know I do. Love me. That's all I ask of you. Anywhere you go, let me go too.
So inasmuch as the two of you have stood here before God, family, and friends, have consented to live together in the harmony of marriage, and have sealed that with a gift, I have been given the right to give you the most honorable title a man and woman hold on earth. You now own it. It's husband and wife. Your husband and wife, what do you say? Make your kiss a seal to a promise. You may kiss your bride.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I want to marry you. Yeah! Is it the look in your eyes? Or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I want to marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go. No one will know. Oh, come on, girl. Who cares if we're trash? Got a pocket full of cash we can blow. Shots of Patrol. And it's on, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to welcome the bride and the groom. Tyler, Jessica, everybody.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you. Just say I do.
I don't really have any embarrassing stories to tell about him. Sorry, guys. When Kyle was out doing stupid stuff, I was too busy volunteering at the Humane Society, saving baby kittens.
Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now.
Jessica will be there for you if you fall or if you hurt yourself or if you need us. We'll always be there, speaking in British tones.
And we always wanted to be you.
We're champs for life. For life.
For life.
For life.
Start.
Thank you very much.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. I can't take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. Come on, like the way we rock it, so don't stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel the good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you